You hit the gym, and eat clean. But the scale isn't moving. Frustrated? You're not alone. It's not your workout. It's your daily habits outside the gym holding you back. Today, I'll reveal 7 daily habits that secretly ruin your fitness progress. I'm your workout buddy, and this is Fit Sphere. No fluff, just real fitness truths. Let's dive right in. Habit number 1. Skipping sleep. Are you getting less than 6 to 7 hours? This affects your recovery, hormones, and muscle growth. Fix it by aiming for 7 to 9 hours. And ditch screens before bed for better sleep quality. Habit number 2. Low protein intake. Not eating enough protein hinders muscle fuel. You need 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Fix it by including eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, or chicken in your diet. Habit number 3. Overtraining without rest. Remember, muscles grow during rest, not just workouts. Fix this by taking 1 to 2 rest days. Use these days for light walks or stretching. Habit number 4. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration can kill your performance. Even a 2% fluid loss lowers strength. Fix it by drinking 3 to 4 liters daily, and more if you sweat a lot. Habit number 5. Overusing supplements. Supplements are not shortcuts. They don't replace effort. Fix this by focusing 90% on real food and real workouts. Habit number 6. Inconsistency. 2 perfect weeks won't fix 6 months of bad habits. Fix it by committing to 3 to 5 solid sessions a week. Stick to your plan 80% of the time. Habit number 7. Comparing yourself to others. Social media isn't real. Filters, performance-enhancing drugs, genetics, don't buy into it. Fix it by focusing on your journey and celebrating small wins. Which habit hit you hardest? Share in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and share if this video helped you. Bonus habit. Not tracking your progress. If you don't track, you're just guessing. Use progress photos, weight logs, or a strength journal to stay accountable. Fix your habits and you'll fix your results. See you in the next one.